Precision meets silence in this cordless powerhouse engineered for serious yard work. Featuring a carbon fiber straight shaft, this trimmer is built to withstand years of heavy-duty trimming while staying lightweight and easy to maneuver. The adjustable cutting width ranges from 15 inches to 17 inches, allowing for precision around garden edges or broad strokes along fences and driveways. The Olight Arcfeld Pro is an advanced, versatile flashlight built for both everyday carry and emergency situations. With a compact design, it fits comfortably in your pocket, offering an impressive 1,300 lumens of brightness, ensuring clear visibility in a variety of settings. This rechargeable flashlight combines three powerful light sources: a white LED for standard illumination, a green beam for precision targeting, and a UV LED for detecting hidden substances or markings. A workspace doesn't need to be static. The Lifespan Ampera Desk Bike fuses movement with productivity, transforming long office hours into active, power-generating sessions. Featuring a 2-inch thick seat made from high-density molded foam and wrapped in breathable fabric, it adapts to a range of heights, from 5 feet 2 inches to 6 feet 5 inches, thanks to a pneumatic lever. This keeps your posture aligned and your energy levels steady, even during the longest stretches. Step into a world where sleep isn't just rest, it's power. Pod 4 Ultra transforms your nights with precision temperature control, clinical-grade tracking, and sleep-boosting intelligence. This isn't a mattress upgrade, it's a shift in how recovery happens. Pod 4 Ultra dives 20 degrees Fahrenheit below room temperature or climbs to soothing heat, adapting instantly to your needs. Dual zones let you and your partner create separate climates, no compromises. Packed with innovative features, the Hato Flashlight Duo is designed to provide exceptional performance in various conditions. This versatile tool combines powerful illumination with multifunctional elements, making it an essential companion for outdoor activities and emergency situations. Equipped with a dual light source, it offers a focused beam for clear visibility, while the colorful ambient light adds an extra layer of versatility for different environments. Built for steep streets and long rides, the InMotion Climber redefines the electric scooter experience with a dual 750-watt motor system that generates a combined peak of 1,500-watt power. This robust setup propels the climber to speeds up to 23.6 miles per hour, even when facing demanding inclines and heavy riders up to 286 pounds. Its hill climbing capabilities are backed by an advanced torque system and independent dual-wheel drive that grips the pavement confidently. The PetKit Puribot Ultra is a cutting-edge, self-cleaning cat litter box designed to offer convenience and hygiene. With advanced features such as AI camera technology and 5G Wi-Fi control via a phone app, it's tailored for modern pet owners. The Puribot Ultra is engineered to make waste disposal as seamless as possible, with true hands-free auto-scooping that activates with each use. The Klimas Telescopic Camping Lantern is a versatile and powerful outdoor lighting solution designed for campers, adventurers, and job site workers. With a robust, rechargeable 14,000 mAh battery, this lantern offers a reliable and long-lasting light source for extended trips or power outages. Its LED functionality delivers a bright 6,000 lumens, ensuring ample visibility in the darkest of environments. This lantern's telescopic design allows for adjustable height, making it ideal for various lighting needs, from focused spotlights to ambient illumination. In every kitchen that takes flavor seriously, precision goes beyond ingredients. It's about maintaining temperature until the final bite. Eternos brings that principle to your table. Whether you're serving a 10-ounce seared ribeye or a chilled citrus salad, this hybrid creation, part bowl, part plate, part dish, was designed to respect the temperature boundaries your recipes demand. Crafted with inspiration from professional kitchens, Eternos does more than hold food. step beyond the screen and into the game. This next-gen motion console delivers a bold evolution in virtual entertainment, merging full body tracking with immersive motion controller gameplay for a truly physical experience. Whether you're dancing in Dance Dash, diving into VR FBT streaming worlds, or sweating through AR fitness sessions, it responds with precision. Using cutting-edge sensors and seamless body recognition, it turns your movements into real-time game controls. Heat waves don't stand a chance when Meet Misa powers on. This world-first entertaining minibar comes equipped with an 8-trends air conditioning system, delivering chilled comfort wherever your gathering lands. Engineered for versatility, it doesn't just cool the air, it elevates the atmosphere. With an amazing 20-liter fridge, you can store up to 24 cans, bottles, or snacks at just the right temperature. Powered by multiple energy sources from standard AC to portable battery packs, and even solar, Meet Misa travels well. Campsites, patios, trailers, you name it. The Merchant's barbecue gloves offer exceptional protection for grilling, cooking, and baking, making them the ideal choice for culinary enthusiasts. Designed to withstand intense heat, these gloves provide an added layer of security, whether you're handling hot grills, ovens, or stovetops. The heat-resistant material ensures that your hands stay safe even when exposed to temperatures reaching 932 degrees Fahrenheit, preventing burns during those high-temperature cooking sessions. The Tie Spanner 2.0 Mini Multi-Tool Wrench offers versatile functionality, merging convenience with precision. Crafted from durable titanium, it is designed to handle daily tasks while remaining compact enough to carry anywhere. The Tie Spanner 2.0 serves as a practical solution for those in need of a multifunctional tool, featuring a bottle opener, wrench, and various useful points for tightening or loosening bolts. Introducing the Seatmate Ottoman Ramp, a practical and comfortable addition to your home or office. Designed for pet owners, this unique piece ensures your pet can stay close while you work. With an easy-to-use ramp, it provides a convenient way for pets to join you without strain. The Seatmate's compact design is perfect for various spaces. It measures 53.50 inches in length, 21 inches in width, and 24.75 inches in height, offering a balanced presence without overwhelming your room. The Sony Wireless Portable Speaker ULT Field 3 combines rugged durability with powerful audio performance, designed to withstand the elements while delivering impressive sound. Whether you're at the beach, hiking, or camping, this Bluetooth speaker's IP67 rating ensures full protection against water, dust, and rust. The shock-proof design guarantees reliable use even in the toughest conditions, offering peace of mind while you enjoy your favorite tunes. Imagine fitting 512 gigabytes of secure high-speed storage into something smaller than your car key. The 2PAN Nano SSD isn't just compact, it redefines portable data storage. Built for professionals and creators who demand performance without compromise, this device combines power, portability, and protection in one minimalist form. Engineered with blazing fast read-write speeds, this SSD transfers large files in seconds. Craving something cold and creamy without the weight or mess? The Dash My Mug ice cream maker delivers single-serve frozen desserts with precision and ease. After freezing the base for 24 hours, you can whip up ice cream, sorbet, gelato, or frozen yogurt in as little as 20 minutes. Just load your ingredients and press start. It's built for convenience and creativity, offering a dedicated ingredient chute that lets you stir in cookies, fruit, or chocolate chips to make each batch uniquely yours. The AeroSpring Pinch is an innovative and versatile system designed to elevate both outdoor and indoor gardening. This high-yield solution offers an efficient growing experience with minimal effort. Engineered for modularity, it allows users to customize the setup according to their space and needs, offering 4 distinct configurations to choose from. Whether you're looking to optimize a small urban space or expand into a larger area, The flexibility of the AeroSpring pinch ensures that your garden thrives. Firing up bold flavors starts with precision heat, and the Gosney Dome S1 delivers with unapologetic power. Its quick-start rolling gas flame surges to 700 degrees Fahrenheit in just minutes, transforming ordinary backyard meals into chef-level experiences. Once it hits 950 degrees Fahrenheit, it holds steady, letting you produce Neapolitan-style pizza after pizza without a drop in consistency or temperature. This oven doesn't just cook, it performs. Clean beyond the surface with cutting-edge ultrasonic power. This portable, multifunctional ultrasonic dishwasher is engineered for modern living, compact yet powerful and ready to elevate your kitchen or camping setup. Operating at a frequency of 45 kilohertz, it creates millions of microscopic cavitation bubbles that scrub away food residue, grease, and bacteria from dishes, baby bottles, fruits, and even delicate items like jewelry and glasses. Breathe beneath the waves without the burden of traditional tanks. Sea Air redefines how we explore the underwater world. Engineered for simplicity and efficiency, this fully self-contained tankless diving system floats effortlessly on the surface while delivering clean, reliable air to divers below through a high-performance battery-powered compressor. Compact and lightweight, Sea Air makes every dive smoother, longer, and more accessible, whether you're exploring coral reefs or gliding through calm coastal waters. From its innovative interior design to its streamlined silhouette, the Gosney Arc redefines what a gas pizza oven should be. This high-performance oven blends tradition with cutting-edge engineering, anchored by its revolutionary lateral gas burner. The removable 20mm stone floor stores and radiates heat with remarkable consistency, while dual-layer insulation locks in temperatures that soar to 950 degrees Fahrenheit, batch after batch. Spacetop combines cutting-edge technology with user-centric design, delivering an innovative computing experience. To fully unlock its capabilities, ensure your system meets the hardware requirements, featuring an Intel Core Ultra 7 or 9 processor with Meteor Lake architecture or newer. These specifications ensure optimal performance, so check your device's compatibility before diving into the software. Once set up, enjoy the seamless experience with the Spacetop software subscription. Step away from digital fatigue with a spa-inspired solution engineered to restore comfort where it matters most: your eyes. The iSpa is not just a massager, it's a fully immersive therapy system tailored to hydrate, energize, and soothe tired eyes in minutes. With instant cooling and heating, your eyes receive immediate relief from strain and puffiness. Fine mist massage introduces moisture gently, combating dryness while enhancing the soothing experience. Transform your fitness routine with the Muscle Rail Board, a compact and efficient solution for home workouts. This all-in-one gym setup is designed to provide a comprehensive training experience in a space-saving package. The Muscle Rail Board combines the functionality of multiple fitness tools into one sleek device, allowing you to perform a variety of exercises without the need for bulky equipment. Its sturdy frame and adjustable design accommodate a wide range of exercises, from strength training to flexibility routines. The Cooper Cooler Rapid Beverage and Wine Bottle Chiller is the ultimate solution for quickly chilling beverages in your home bar or dorm. Its automatic touchpad offers a seamless user experience, making it easy to use with just the press of a button. This chiller is designed to cool your drinks in minutes, thanks to its innovative ice and water system that efficiently lowers the temperature of bottles and cans. Whether you need to chill sodas, beer, or wine, the Cooper Cooler ensures your beverages are ready to enjoy without the wait. Sleek surfaces deserve better than smudges. Jiffy's step up as precision cleaners, small but powerful pads designed to banish fingerprints, oily streaks, and smears from the places you touch most. Whether it's a stainless steel fridge, a foggy bathroom mirror, your smartphone screen, or glasses, Jiffy's handle the job without scratching or leaving residue. The Chincata electric food chopper combines efficiency with durability, making meal preparation quicker and easier. Equipped with a powerful 400-watt motor, this chopper is designed to handle tough tasks such as chopping onions, meat, garlic, and ham with ease. Featuring dual-speed settings, you can select the optimal power for each ingredient, ensuring consistent and smooth results. The 8-cup stainless steel and glass bowls provide ample space to process large portions, while the sharp, bi-level blades guarantee fast and efficient chopping. Take your workflow, entertainment, and creativity to the next level with the Lucos Ultra-Wide 4K monitor, a full cinematic workspace that delivers unmatched versatility. With a panoramic 49-inch diagonal spread and a razor-sharp 4K resolution, Lucos is engineered for those who demand more screen, more clarity, and more control. This isn't just a monitor, it's your theater, battle station, and productivity hub. Lucos offers a true 32:9 ultra-wide experience, allowing seamless split-screen multitasking that transforms a single monitor into multiple workstations. In a world where productivity meets wellness, the FlexiSpot V9NA redefines the workspace. This sleek exercise bike with an integrated desktop and silent wheels encourages motion without disrupting your focus. Built for those who value both physical health and workflow, this versatile cycling workstation makes every minute count, whether you're on a Zoom call or tackling your to-do list. The precision-engineered frame supports low-impact pedaling that's easy on the joints while quietly operating under 60 decibels, making it perfect for home or office. Built for those who move with purpose, the Haki Link open-ear wireless sports earbuds redefine performance and comfort. Featuring a memory titanium dual-curve design, these earbuds resist deformation, maintaining a secure, accessory-compatible fit through intense workouts. IPX5 waterproofing shields them from sweat and rain, making them an all-weather companion. Wrapped in skin-friendly, large-area liquid silicone, they deliver breathable comfort with a triangular pressure relief air cushion for enhanced stability. The Charge Card by AquaVault is a revolutionary portable charger that delivers power when you need it most, all while being small enough to fit in your wallet. Measuring just 3.3 by 2.3 by 0.18 inches and weighing only 2.2 ounces, it's the perfect on-the-go solution for keeping your devices powered. With built-in interchangeable charging cables, it's compatible with all major phones, including Apple and Android devices. Far from the reach of cellular towers, the inReach Messenger Plus becomes an essential lifeline, delivering seamless two-way communication through satellite connectivity. Designed for those who venture beyond the grid, it supports photo, text, and voice messaging, even in total cell service blackout. Its SOS feature links directly to 24/7 emergency response, ensuring help is just a message away. Built to endure the extremes, the inReach Messenger Plus resists water up to 3.3 feet deep,